Trade at your own risk. I take no responsibility for your actions. First of all, I look at the charts on Webull app on my phone, and I like it better. It looks a lot better, and it's really easier to read. But I don't trade on Webull, but I do use the Webull. But charts on my phone on the app, I like it better to read the charts. But this is a different site. Anyways, I'm advocating in this video for a immediate buy on Bitcoin. Last night I posted a video advocating for a buy so long that it held the 32,000 level, and now I think it's ready for a breakout. This is the 2-hour chart. As we see here, I think this is a really important inflection point, talking technically. A lot of times this point right here, whether it breaks higher from basically this spot at about 35 or 34,572 to about, well, really about this spot at about 33.5. So basically, and I could put it on here and just look at the exact high for those spots. That high is 34,539. So if it goes higher than 34.5, looks good, and if it goes lower than about 33,450. So either way, in this range, but that's talking technically. If it breaks higher, it's likely to really spike to all-time highs, in my opinion, and if it breaks lower, likely to drop below this level. I think that would, and that's technically again, and I think it would be strange. I don't think it would match up with the fundamentals, and that's one reason I lean towards it breaking higher. Not only the fundamentals, but the overall momentum it's had on this big bull run. I mean, yeah, we got to realize where it went from the teens into 40,000, but not only that, it was, busted past those previous all-time highs that everybody used to be so excited about at, like 19,000 or 20,000 or so, and at the end of 2017, beginning of 18, and busted past that and just roared past it to more than double that number. So it's like just an absolute ton of momentum, and now you get this cool down. You can really expect to maybe see a huge spike coming out of that, and I think now is the time. I mean, I think last night was the time when I said if it holds. I was actually making a video a few days ago, right when it hit this level, and I saw it bounce and change trend with really strong momentum, and in the video, and I'm thinking, oh yeah, this could be it. And I think this is really a good spot. If it does break lower, you can always sell, cut your losses, and limit your risk and look to get in later down here. But I'd expect it to break higher. I think this is an important inflection point right here after what it just did and came down and settled at this point. This was a kind of an important point. Does it hold support or prove to be resistance again? Because it has been resistance in the most recent past, but it did bust above it. So I think it's a good spot to fall down to. Steady, steady, steady bust. Let's look. This is a 2-hour chart. Probably don't need to go to the 1 day because this 2-hour chart shows it pretty good how it ran up, pulled down, and you saw a lower high, lower high, lower high. The lows weren't getting all that much lower, which shows not much negative momentum and shows good positive momentum anyways. And then you get this, major, real strong run here, pause, and a higher high here from at least this one and this one. So if we steady in here and bust again, that's what I'm looking for, and that's why I'm advocating it to be a buy. And it looks like so, and this is the spot I was looking at. Now that I'm zoomed in more, about it's an inflection point. It technically, if this, as it goes sideways here, it's important which way it decides to go. Breaks lower, breaks higher. It looks like I'm going to be sitting good because I think it's going to break higher. And let's look at a quick 5-day chart. And this is the inflection point we're looking at, and I think it is going to break higher because it's in an upward trend. It is getting pretty sideways, but the thing to look at is it keeps poking the same price and getting rejected, but keeps inching closer and resilient to keep inching closer with higher lows. So that's what it looks like. It's going to be a major spike. So As you're watching this video, look at this level, and it's probably already going to have busted past this resistance and shot all the way up. Where are we at here? Well, oh, that's a 5-day. Oh, I see. Oh, wow. Oh, no, that one, that's not, yeah. I was going to say. But anyways, yep, I'm looking for it to shoot above, heading towards the 40,000. It's going to be a big gain quickly over the weekend, I do believe. So, this is my alert to you. Advocating to buy Bitcoin ASAP as long as it holds this level. Let's say holds this level now. This be 34,000 almost. I mean, if it goes below 34,000 even, then I'm not liking it so much. If it goes below 33.5, definitely not. So, peace. Look to trade, make money. And like this video if you like this information. Subscribe if you don't want to miss future alerts. I've given several alerts on Bitcoin, or a few at least. They've all proved to be very right so far. I called for its big drop when it went steady a while ago, week or so ago. So subscribe if you don't want to miss other alerts. And I also do alerts on stock market stuff. So don't miss it. And stay active. Make money. Peace. Good luck.